Okay, good day once again. This is the continuation of our no, statistics. So in here you have the normal distribution. As you can see from the figure, you have here the average male Filipino height. Okay, so as you can see, on the average is 5 feet 5.5 or 5 feet 6 inches. Okay, and ranging from 5 feet to 6 inches. So the outliers would be there are 16% who are above 6 feet, and then there are also 16% who are below 5 feet. Okay, and then majority is from 5 feet to 6 feet. Okay, so the idea here is we're going to get the percentage. If there are 1,000 male Filipino, just take for example, average male Filipino, there are 1,000 population. So if there are 1,000 population, so 68% of the averages from 5 feet to 6 feet. So what is 68% of 1,000? 680, no? And then above 6 feet, 16%, so 160. Likewise, below 5 feet, 16%, 160. Sa inana ang purpose na to. Okay, we're going to get the probability or the percentage in order to meet the statistical average. So in here, okay, so you have, like I said a while ago, if we are interested, okay, in solving the area or the percentage from 5.4 to 5.8, okay, so that we do not know, no? So to do that, we use the C table, okay? So in the C table, you have with the middle score, okay? We convert the X value to a Z-score value. So in a Z-score value, the middlemost score is 0, okay? And then 0 to the right is positive values, and then 0 to the left are our negative values. Okay? So, katong kaganina, atong middlemost score is what? 5 feet 6 inches, no? Mo to 5.5. Pag convert ana to Z-score value, mahimo na siyang 0. Okay? And to the right of 0, nana diyan, no? Ang atuang area is from negative 3.49 from here to positive 3.49. Okay, so muna na i-values diya. So as you can see, from negative 3.49, the area only is doon lagi na siya 0, no? 0.002 or make that 0.02%. Okay? So, muna siya. O, ari po ka sa positive 3.49, positive 3.49. Okay, so almost 1. Okay, because our total probability is 1 man. Okay, okay, kung inumundo mo sa 1, okay, not from this class, no, but the the probability of the total area under the normal curve is 1 na siya. Okay, so for example here, the area from negative infinity to z, because we ang pag-express ana is from negative infinity up to the z-score value. Okay, so you have there the area from negative infinity to z, negative 1.96. So ari ka sa negative 1.9. Okay, and then imo i-fall sa 606. So the value there is 0.0250. Okay, so from the left to positive 1.645. Okay, Since 3 digit na siya, where is positive 1.6? Here. So, ari ka between, ang 1.64 is 0.9495, and then ang 1.65 is 0.9505. Okay? So, what we do, mag-interpolation ng tanan doon, no? So, definitely, ang 1.645 is 0.95. Next is positive 1.96. Okay? From the left to 1.96. So, pangitaw na nato ang 1.96, no? So, you have here 1.9 and then 96. So, that is 0.9750. And then, our formula for standard normal curve is z is equal to the given x, okay, minus mu. This is the mean of the sample, okay, all over the sigma. Sigma is the population standard deviation, and mu is the population mean. Okay. So example here, let x be normally distributed random variable with mean 85 and standard deviation equal to 4. Now, if x is 73, find its standard value or the z-score value niya, no? So, kaning 73, ato ning i-express in terms of z-score value. Pila man. So, take note, ang mean nato is 85. Nga, 73, meaning to say, naa siya sa left sa 85. So, we expect a negative value. Okay? Naa siya sa wala. 85 ang ato ang mean dire. So, ang 73 is almost na dire sa left part. Okay? So, you have there 73 minus 85 over 4. So, therefore, our standard value is negative 12 over 4 or negative 3. Okay? So, this is our standard score value. Next, find the area between 45 and 62 of a given normal distribution with mean equal to 50 and standard deviation equal to 10. Okay? So first, we get the z-score value between 45 and 62 first. Paano to siya z-score value or standard value? Okay? So when x is 45, so ang z-score value niya is negative 0.5. When x is 62, ang z-score value niya is positive 1.2. Then, from the table, the probability between 45 and 62 is the probability of negative 0.5 to positive 1.2. Okay? So, sa table, coming from the negative infinity man to 1.2. Okay? Minus negative infinity to 0.5. Okay, ikuhaan itong value. So, ang 1.2 is positive 1.2 is 0.8849. Tama ba? Okay, correct. And then, negative 0.5. So, add to ka sa 0, no? Rule ka sa 0. So, 0.5 man to, no? Negative 0.5 dara. 0.3085. Okay? So, that's why, so, the answer is 0.5764. So, meaning to say, ang area niya is 57.64%. Okay? In example number 6, the same concept with the previous one, no? So, you have the, suppose that the biostat exam scores of a given population of students are normally distributed with mean equal to 500 and S, standard, S meaning represents standard deviation. Katong sigma ganina, standard deviation yung punto. Okay? what is the percentage of persons having biostat score between 500 and 650? So what we did first, we need to get the standard score value of 500 and 650. Okay? And then ato siya i-subtract from negative infinity. Okay, so here, the standard z-score value of 500 is 0. And then for 650, that is 1.5. Okay? So if our z-score value is 1.5, the area is 0.9332. And then if our z-score value is 0, of course, katunga man sa area. So katunga, total area is 1. So ang katunga is 0.5. So our area now is 0.4332 or 43.32%. Okay? So hence, the proportion of people having math score between 500 and 650 is 0.4332. In example number 7, our last example here, no, is different. Okay? You have here, given a normal distribution with mean equal to 300 and sigma equal to 50. Find the probability that x assume a value greater than 362. Now, take note, ang gipangayo sa problem, mangita tagkuan mo. Okay, if this is 362 ni diri nga portion ng x, ang area ng iyang gipangayo is value greater than 362. So, to the right. So, take note, atong area tabular table is from the left or from the negative infinity. Now, ang gipangayo sa problem is ang area greater than, okay? So, naa sa right sa standard value. So, unsa may gibuhat niya diri? So, you have there, when x is 45, din mo, sorry. Here. So, yan gikuha ang z-score value sa 362 first. Okay? So, the z-score value there is 1.24. So, take note, ang probability nga ipangayo is the x greater than 362 or probability is z greater than 124. But we don't have the value for this table, no? Ang ato ang value is from the left. So, what they do, ikuha niya ang total probability, which is 1, minus, ikuha niya ang probability sa z 1.24. Okay? So, ang area ngayon ipangayo is 0.1075. Okay? So, there are problems here for you to solve. Ako lang i-text dire ang iyong ansira, no? So, 1, ano ba ito na? Okay? And then, one concern, by the way, when can we use a normal distribution table? Okay? Nana sa hypothesis testing, we will use the z-distribution table if our data is, of course, normal and our sample size is n greater or equal to 30. So, dapat 30 greater than atong sample size. If it is less than 30, like this one, we use the t-distribution. Okay? So, ang pagkuha sa t-distribution, simple naman kayo pagkuha. Okay? Of course, given ang alpha, all you have to do is solve the degree of freedom. Okay, to get the degree of freedom is simply n minus 1 kalagmitan. So if there are less than 30 man, so let's say 15. So 15 minus 1, okay, so 14. In this case, gihatag na degree ang degree of freedom and then together with alpha. So if alpha is 0.01, so mo base lang ka sa 0.01, no? And then align mo sa 14, so the answer is 1.761. Okay? Okay, so mohunong ko dire and then ato iko ano.